Out the road, my dad. A Independence Week, Emancipation Day. But a Gaza emancipation, is it? How we out here, we're free. Free at last. Free at last. You wanna comment free at last and glory to God, yeah. Comment free at last, glory to God. That is it. That I want to say. Are you hear me? Sip on a live, yeah? One big up the judge will deal with the appeal. You see me? One big her up. From me I step through the gate out of GP, me for big her up. You see me? Where Bishop McDonald. Yeah man. And the other few judge them to call the three of them. But the lead one, I think now she the president for the appeal court. You see me? That judge they fear. Yeah man, I'm not talking merry-go-round and Ferris wheel. But you still feel happy like you there and fear the way you should fear. So yeah man, big her up. You see me? They are Gaza nation, man, in emancipation. Yeah. See you, chill.